Hello and happy new year. We are starting our year off strong, motivated, structured, disciplined, and everything else in between. Let's get ready to go to our vision board night and get our year started right. In December, I got a haircut, which I told my girl Sam, cut off anything that is dead. I don't care if you have to go super short, just do it. I said I would like some curtain bangs or bangs and some layers, which she did give me. That has caused me to have a voluminous hair situation. I've yet to get it dyed. I need to get it dyed. That's on my to-do list. I'll get that done hopefully soon. I think I'm gonna keep it natural because vision board night, it's chill, we're hanging out, low key. I'm not really gonna do much to my hair. I am gonna figure out this bang situation just because, like, you see where this goes out? So it's not really cute. So I'm gonna straighten out my bangs. I do not know how to do blowouts. Hopefully one day I will. What I do is give myself the fakest blowout bangs. So I grab my straightener. Ooh, oh my gosh, look how pretty. This is a learning curve, unfortunately, especially since I have a lot of hair. It gets a little difficult. So vision board night, OMG. I love the beginning of the year. I know it's super cliche. I love that. You get a fresh start. Unfortunately, in Houston, we did not have a winter, so it kind of feels like I've been in limbo for a long time because of the weather. Time does not wait for seasons. Bangs are kind of tame, right? Okay, now I will do like a little half updo. I like to do a half updo because I have those long layers that kind of go everywhere, but at the same time, I want to tame them. And then, life hack, put a cloth clip over it. Voila! My hair's done. Oh my gosh, yay. I'm just gonna do the most simple makeup I can. NYX brow gel. So with the NYX or NYX brow glue, I just go like this. Excuse me. I tried Mi Tienda Agua de Coco con azúcar y pulpa. I really wanted a coconut water with the coconut meat inside of it, and this was like the only one that I could find with it, and unfortunately it has 36 grams of sugar. I guess for my New Year's resolution, I'm trying to have some sort of like control on what I eat, because I mean, as much as I say Matt and I eat healthy, we kind of don't. One of the goals for this year is for me to be a little bit more conscious on what I eat. And you know, when I saw how much sugar that has, I'm like, that's a lot. I think that's a lot of sugar. I don't know, it is a lot. So I'm having the L'Oreal True Match. Love this concealer. It's dewy, it conceals very well, so it's high coverage. I like it for winter. New year, new me, new goals. I think I'm gonna keep my goals very generic. I am going to Cancun in March, so health is a priority. I'm just gonna mostly watch what I'm eating. So for my blush, I'm using Rare Beauty in Beloved. I like to buy the little ones. That is it for like foundation and face. I just kind of want to look awake, and I want to look like I have just a little bit of life on my face, since earlier today I've been just staring at a computer and kind of planning for my week. Okay, Aquaphor. Aquaphor comes in clutch, y'all. I can't do anything else. Oh my gosh, and I don't have any other lip stuff that I planned on wearing. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Sky High. I'm always using Maybelline Sky High. I love it, no complaints, except that I finish these so fast that I'm always buying new ones. And then I have empty Maybelline Sky High mascaras everywhere, in my bathroom, in my car, in my little gym bag, and I'm just like, I don't know why I can't let them go. I don't know why I'm just like, okay, it's done, throw it away. There's something in me that's just like, I don't know, wants to keep them forever, and maybe I'll just add that into my 2026 goals is to declutter. I think the main thing about 2026 is to believe in myself. There are so many good things happening in life. You can always just feel negative sometimes because life happens, but you know, when you see beginnings like the new year, you just kind of get optimistic and you just kind of get a fresh start. That being said, I stopped reading books after my sister passed away, and now I feel like I'm in a better place mentally to just sit alone. So that's another part of my New Year's resolution is to read more. I like a fun shimmering body oil because of Love Island. I just loved how they all just look so glowy and shimmery, and I'm just like, I love this. I want to look like that. I am using Salt Air, especially because it's winter, supposedly, and I need some shimmer and stay moisturized. Big fan of Wild. Get this from Anthropology for my hair. I love the smell of vanilla. And then my friend gave me this Bath & Body Works Pink Obsessed. It's a fragrance mist. Again, I like to wear these just like on a chill day, even like before workout kind of thing. We are gonna have our vision board night. My theme is believe in myself, and I believe in you too. And I am very happy that I get to continue vlogging and being here with you. Y'all, that was the biggest fail ever. I went to Miniso thinking that they were gonna have kind of like the same concept as Daiso. Nope, it's just all really cutesy. I don't even know what it is. It's just like toys and knickknacks for kids 12 and under. So that was very embarrassing. And now I'm running late. So this is hilarious. I'm gonna find a Barnes & Noble's on my way. So wish me luck. I picked 2 magazines. We got Elle and Miranda. I think these will be good to pick out for our vision board. And now I'm gonna look for a journal because I'm gonna start junk journaling this year. So hopefully I find something cute and small, so I'm not gonna be junk journaling like every day. Probably like once a month. Found a really cute journal. Small, doesn't say how many pages it has, but I think this should be good. I think I can fill this up. 2026.
Right here. Yeah, yes. Look, that's my name.
Just lost Matt because he's trying to take photos for a post. The only thing I'm looking for is pickle juice.
Check this out. This is red.
Hey!
I just saw the red and blue.
We're twinning.
You're not my wife.
What just happened?
New heart rate monitor.
We're at Phoenicia now, and I love their shawarmas here. I'm famished. We only had overnight oats for food, so it's time to eat some real lunch here. Look at the desserts.
The tiramisu cake I was trying to get for your birthday, but they couldn't make it.
Can I do the chicken wrap shawarma, please?
To carb up, so I'm gonna do this. Usually I would do this, but there's a price difference of $5, so I'm gonna do this for now.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell.
Hot grill, pita wrap. We got roasted red hummus. It's my favorite, so I got it separately. I'm gonna try coffee cherry cola for the first time. And as you know, Matt needs to carb up, so he got his Gatorade Cool Blue. Okay, since we're having a celebration after the marathon, which we did not know it was going to be as big as it is now, I think it's time to buy like a new little outfit.
It's a hot winter.
It's a hot winter. I don't know what to wear. I'm just so confused. Every time I go into my closet, I'm just like overwhelmed because I'm like, okay, it's gonna be cold. Wait, no, it's actually humid. I feel like I need like a little wardrobe refresh, and just getting something new is everything I need. And I feel like it'll cure my winter humid blues.
One more store. I am meta.
Dude,
You feel
oh my gosh. No, I look cool.
You gonna start running with those on?
I don't know, but I like these. I'll wear these when I'm driving my car. We did a little bit of shopping, and I don't know, I feel like a little bit more motivated on what to wear from my closet and what to shop for. So that's a good thing. I just hate the fact that it's like not cold. OMG, dude, I tried on the Oakley Meta glasses and I freaking fell in love with them. Like I don't know, I just liked how they fit my face. Glasses usually don't fit me. So do I need them? Absolutely not. But are they super cute, and would I wear them just for like, I don't know, maybe like when I'm walking Eloise? Yeah. And also you can record with them, so why not freaking wear them? You wanna get it? Woo!
Ah!
Go, Matt! Woohoo! Woo, careful! You got it! You got it! Go, Joe! Go, Joe! Go, Joe! Go, Joe, for you! Go, Joe! Go, Joe, for you! For you! Go, 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 go! Woo! Let's go, Luis! Luis! Hey! Yeah! Woo! Let's go,
So hard. Thanks, man. Everything's hard. There's no hard.
Almost done, almost done!
Hey, happy pregnancy. Oh, love you, babe.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we are here. Matt has been running so much. We stopped at mile 7 at first, and he was in really good spirits. We gave him a Gatorade. I made so many signs, and I'm just like pulling them out as we see him. He looks so good. He looks so excited. Then we ended up going to, I think, mile like 10. And he was still doing great. We were just there to cheer him on. We ended up getting to like mile 17, and that's where it's just like, oh my gosh, like I'm already tired. I can't even imagine how tired Matt is. He is trekking along. We are making our last stop. We, as in my mom and dad and I. After, I will be heading to downtown to just cheer him on the finish line. I did get some Papados bread, LOL, to give to him as a joke. He definitely doesn't have to eat it. And I also got him pickle juice as an option. He did not take it, which is fine, but I do think that'll help if he cramps up, so it'll still be an option when I see him here at Memorial. I cannot believe like this is actually happening. I feel very excited. I feel very more optimistic than like the last runs that he's done, because the last runs I'm kind of like stressed out or like emotional, but this one I'm just like, yeah, like you can do it. I believe in you.
Bien.
Bye.
Adios, sir.
Bye.
Go, Matt! Woo! Woo! Marathoner Matt! Hey.
I want to go to sleep.
I do not want y'all seeing my ground turkey as it's being cooked, because I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of gross. For seasoning, I'm gonna do some paprika. I'm going to do paprika, salt, black pepper, garlic, and maybe some cumin. And let's just add that everywhere. Oh my gosh, I need to do rice. I feel like I should have done like more Mexican seasoning. Cumin. I ended up deciding on getting some corn too. I'm gonna saute some corn, and then I'm gonna add caramelized onions, maybe separate. I think I want to do them separate. I've got my personal vacuum. I tend to get messy when I cook in the kitchen. So Matt and I have this saying, like, I cook, he cleans. He gets to do a lot more work than I do because cooking. Cooking is fun for me. Cleaning is not fun for me, so sorry, Matt. Thank you for cleaning. Garlic, black pepper. This is like turning out way faster than I thought. I haven't made too much of a mess. I am chopping onions. Was trying to get like a good angle, but it was not working, and I feel like I'm gonna start crying. Just gonna make them thick. But you know what? Everything is turning out delicious and nutritious. Dang, that smells good. I'm gonna add some rice. I like to do white rice. It's like so easy to make. Some turkey, 'cause protein. Whoa, corn. You know, because I'm Mexican. Some caramelized onions. Oh, tomatoes. I'll just use my hand. Look how colorful this bowl is. And you know what? We're just gonna do a half avocado. Wow, it looks so healthy. Oh my gosh. Chipotle who? This is what my bowl looks like. It looks so delicious and nutritious. Hopefully, because of the food that I'm eating now, I will have bikini body by March. So, let's eat. I'm so hungry. So good. You have to try. Ooh. That's a good bite.
That's incredible. Good work.
Perfect.